A home-based business gave me the funds to buy yet another vehicle. I know I got an addiction, but stay tuned and we're going to show you what we bought and we're going to show you what opportunity we use to get the funds to buy it. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Melvin, aka Dr. Money, and I'm repping the Phantom Group. Now, for those of you who haven't followed me, you know for years and years and years, I have been using home-based businesses to fund the purchase of anything I want in my life, anything my family wants in their life, and we have been successfully doing that. So I've always taught you to never use the money that you already have to buy your cars, but use another company that offers a home-based business opportunity. Use their money to fund your dreams. Now, not only have I preached that to people and show people how to do it, I've actually lived that myself. If you guys don't remember, back in 2008, we had a home-based business opportunity that awarded us enough income to cover a six-figure vehicle, which is this Bentley GT right there. And then again, in 2013, we had another opportunity that gave us the funds to purchase a Christmas gift for my wife in the form of a Lexus ES350 Executive Edition. Remember that video right there? It was a long time ago, but you guys remember it. And then 2 years ago in 2018, use the home-based business again to fund the purchase of an Audi A8L, which that was back in 2018. You remember that video when I had to deliver it? So that was another six-figure vehicle. And so now fast forward to 2020. I gave you guys a chance this time. I said, listen, you can come with me. And some people actually did. In 2020, on May 1st, for less than the cost of a dinner for two at a nice restaurant, I was able to invest into a business that actually gives people affordable access to health care, and we get paid a colossal amount of money. Now, a lot of people may have heard or may have not have heard of this, but this business was a sleeping giant. People did not know how much profit this thing paid out. And so the people that came in with me were financially successful. As you see on my YouTube channel, you're seeing them getting promotions and getting raises every single week. And again, we're only working just a few hours spare time. Now, it's in 2020 and it's June 9th as of today, and it's now time for me to purchase yet another vehicle. Well, I've already done that, and it just got delivered today, and our anniversary is 2 days away, and it came right before. So we just purchased my wife a brand new, well, I can say brand new. It's a 2018 Lexus RX 350 Ultra Luxury Package, and she has been looking at this thing over and over, and she's going to be definitely surprised that she got it. And she's been looking at the silver one, so I'm just giving you a view of it here. And this is a vehicle that was funded yet again by a home-based business. And so I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour around it. And so she's going to be definitely surprised when she sees it. As you see, it's just brand new, came in from Florida. We just took delivery of it. So has the smoke wheels, and let me just go on the inside here. Oh, that's the wrong key. It's the Audi key. Sorry, that's the vehicle I bought last year. Let me find the keys to this bad boy. Ah, that's the Lexus key. Cool. Unlock this. Show you guys the inside. Red interior like she wanted. Brushed nickel interior as well. And so it has good space. And this thing is like a doggone spaceship, man. I mean, it has like all this technology, voice stuff in here. And let me just turn it on here. Woo, the air conditioning works really good, right? Let me turn this bad boy down. All right, so folks, listen. If you have spare time and you're interested in earning money from home without having to do any selling, without having to handle any products, without having to deal with customer service, if you're interested, all we're doing is pointing people to websites, and I've been able to earn enough money to buy 3 cars if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the rest of the money for something else. So every single month, whether I choose to work or not, I'm going to earn a huge residual income, and all I'm going to do is just grow it. And so that's going to be another stream of income. So if you're seeing this video, I want to let you know that I'm trying to inspire you, because you do not have to live a mediocre life. All you have to do is make a choice, and making a choice means that you click on the link, or you go to the website I give you, and you make a choice, and you work with a team of phenomenal individuals who are collectively working together to encourage each other and to earn some great income. So if you're watching this video and you want your dream car, it is only 1 click away. Now I'm going to drive and get this vehicle to my wife so she can actually enjoy it. But other than that, folks, again, visit replacemy925.com, where you can click the link below this video, and it'll show you exactly what we've been doing to earn this money. And again, the results are old. I've actually earned more money than I've shown in this video, because that was when I first started. But again, this is a legit opportunity. Check it out, and we'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. And I'm just so excited. I'm tongue twisted. I cannot wait to see your reaction. Peace.